this video, I will show you how you can add an address on Bolt app and to set this as a default address. So first of all, you need to open your app, and from here you need to navigate to the account tab at the bottom right. And from here you need to scroll down a little bit and then just go ahead and click on add a place under saved places. So what this will do is this will create a place that you can give a name and an emoji. As you can see, I already have created one for the Amsterdam airport. And then you can basically type this in whenever you're booking a ride, and then this address will pop up automatically. So this can be handy if you are using an address that is not your home or your work address, but you're using it very often. Then you can just easily type this in and then you can easily book rides. So how do you add this? How do you set this default address? Just click on add a place in here, and then you need to search for a location. So let's say we are going to select the Emirates Stadium in London, and we're going to type this in, and then just go ahead and click on the Emirates Stadium. So let's click on this, and then you're able to set the pin. For this, you need to be sure that you set the pin to the right side of the road where you want to get picked up. So let's go ahead and select this side, and then just go ahead and click on confirm location, give it a name. So let's do something like this, and then enter a name. So let's call it Arsenal, and then click on save. And now, as you can see, this will be saved. And when I type in Arsenal in the scheduling of a ride as a destination, then I will be able to get this address immediately. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.